Hey guys, welcome back to the Slime Bros. I'm James.
I'm Liam.
And today we'll be making bubbly slime. You tell the ingredients.
The ingredients we'll be using today, this is in order. So we will be using glue, shaving cream, foaming hand soap, and lotion.
And then you will also need
A measuring cup, half measuring cup.
this is a half measuring cup. Yep.
Some borax and water.
Or slime activator,
yeah.
which is 1 teaspoon of borax
And
dissolved in 1 cup of warm water.
Maybe hair gel.
Hair gel just softens it at the end if it's too hard.
And
so you don't need
container.
that to put your slime in when you're done. And then we'll need a mixing tool and a bowl.
Yeah.
I'm sorry about this. Just woke up. Anyway, so the first thing you're going to do is put a half cup of glue.
So I do.
So you just put a half cup of glue.
I take a little bit.
It's almost there. And we're there. We're there. Okay, so now you're gonna
we don't want to waste all our glue.
Yeah. And you're gonna put a half cup of glue.
And scrape out the sides. Got that on the cover.
Okay, and next you wanna have a half cup of foaming hand soap, and that's a key ingredient because foaming hand soap is gonna make it bubbly. Okay, can you hold this? I'm just gonna unlock it.
And then just squirt it in.
Okay. Oh, you did the glue. Here, wait. Let me just scrape this. 1 second. Oh, guys.
Fair square.
Okay. So now you're gonna put a half cup of foaming hand soap because that's what's gonna make it bubbly on top.
Are we gonna do the shaving cream in that?
I'm not sure.
If we do it in that,
We'll just
can I
do
pour it in?
Yes, you can if we do.
I love just looking at how shaving cream just
Okay.
plops right in.
Half cup of foaming hand
And
soap.
look at that.
Oh yeah, watch this.
Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. That plops in too. I never really knew how slime just gets together.
From
Well,
borax.
Yeah, true. But I never knew
Okay.
how how people came up with slime.
You can do it. You can do the shaving cream.
You're about to hit me in the face with it.
I wouldn't. Wait, how much?
It looked like
How much
yours.
is this? Okay, now you're gonna put a half cup of shaving cream. Wait, you gotta undo the top.
Oh, yeah.
Shake it a little, just a bit more. Okay, now you're gonna put a half cup of shaving cream. So in the bowl.
Is that too much?
No, keep going. That's good. Okay, that's good. So in the bowl, you should have.
That's a lot of shit.
It's just because if you're wondering why we put it way above, it's just because the it didn't get full at the bottom. If you know what I mean, it didn't get full in the cup at the bottom. It's okay. So you're gonna mix
Yeah,
that.
I guess it is.
And so the ingredients you should have in the bowl, you should have half cup of glue,
Ooh.
half cup of shaving cream, and half cup of foaming hand soap.
You know, I just love rubbing shaving cream into my hands. It feels so good. It's like rubbing your hand across. It's just so.
Oh god, you guys, I think I'm gonna do this thing where it activates again. I think it may be that thing where it
probably
activates again. No, it's activating.
We still need to add activator because look at all the sides.
You guys, it's already activating again.
No.
I haven't even had the
Versus-
lotion. And this isn't supposed to be fluffy slime, it's supposed to be bubbly. What?
It
Wait,
looks
why?
I think
It activated
we may have
again.
made a mistake.
No, we didn't. We didn't make a mistake at all.
I
It
think that might-
activated again.
I think that might be bubbly and fluffy slime.
No, because you add more foaming hand soap at the end. We won't. It already turned into slime. What the heck? I didn't even add activator again.
More slime without activator. Did we make it?
We did. No, I literally put no activator in this and already turned it to
You want
slime.
me to add the lotion?
It's not even that sticky. Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Wait, I want to see if it's stretchy first. Maybe we won't need lotion. We don't need lotion.
Can I add a little bit?
No, we don't need it. I don't want to waste it. But you can add more foaming hand soap.
Okay.
No, on top of the slime. So what you will have is a half cup of glue, half cup of glue, half cup of shaving cream, and a cup of foaming hand soap. Because you want it to be really bubbly. So pretty much you're making a fluffy slime, like just adding another half cup of foaming hand soap.
Actually just makes stuff bubbly.
Guys, it activated again.
It
activated and we didn't even put activator in yet. You guys literally watched us. We did not put activator in. It did this last video when we were making the fluffy slime.
I think it was the blue one. The turquoise one. Ocean Breeze. That's what we needed, by the way.
Well, now I know that I need to add shaving cream last. Like if I'm making a fluffy slime, I need to add foaming hand soap, foaming hand soap, lotion, glue, then shaving cream. Because it activated it.
You shouldn't really add shaving cream in the beginning anymore.
No, because it activates it.
And makes it stretchy.
Why is it? I don't know if the shaving cream made it stretchy. I'm not sure.
Maybe it's a mix between all those.
It activated. Wait, can I see that shaving cream for a minute?
I got leftover shaving cream in my hand soap. Mix shaving cream with foaming hand soap.
Really? They have the ingredients in this thing?
Probably.
No, they don't. Oh, wait.
They
No,
probably
they
have
do.
Borax in it. What do they have in it?
Well, water, ceric acid, albastane, cerium lime, Loras 23, sodium lauryl sulfide, but there is sodium borate. It's not in that shaving cream, but that's what is in borax to activate it. And context, that's what needs. What? Okay, wait. Okay, you can add some activator. Now we're gonna add some activator. Just keep squirting. Was it not open?
No.
Huh. Okay. Oh gosh. God, it activated. Just like the one when we made fluffy slime. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. But it activated just like that.
Just so you know, guys, a little hint of advice.
Nancy, get this way.
Sorry. I don't really know if this is actually it. You told me this before. You told me something like this before. It's that, isn't it that whenever slime gets sticky, just moisturize your hands? Or
oh yeah, so guys, if a slime is not sticky to the person that makes it, but it is sticky to somebody else, put lotion on their hands. Yes, go ahead.
I'm gonna add one more.
3. But you can just put lotion on their hands to moisturize their hands. And
Are we gonna be adding color to this one?
no. And then
We
supposedly
should name it marshmallow.
But anyway, supposedly it's gonna make sure it doesn't stick to them. Well, yum.
I like adding.
Anyway, yeah. So it's supposedly if you moisturize your hands, put like lotion, it's gonna make sure it doesn't stick to them, and that actually works. But it's sticking to me, so that means it won't because it needs to not stick to the person that made it. No, not yet. You're the one that tests it at the end. You're the one that, he's always going to be the tester. Come this way. Come this way.
You're getting it on my pants.
Come this way.
Why
are you so far away? It's okay. It's not going to worry. Don't worry about it. Okay. Dude, stop.
It got on your pants anyway. You brought it to my pants, so I brought it to yours.
Guys, how do we did it again. We didn't even put activator in, and it made slime. We put this shaving cream
or
in.
Lotion.
It's from the dollar store, Barbasol shaving cream from the dollar store. And then we got a Gillette shaving cream from CVS, if you know what that is, that also activated it, which is not the dollar store, but
wouldn't have needed these.
And we don't even need lotion.
Yeah. Look at that.
But don't forget, you guys, this is not supposed to be how to make fluffy slime. This is how to make bubbly slime. So again, the ingredients you should have put in your bowl to make this slime were a half cup of glue, half cup of shaving cream, and a cup of foaming hand soap.
Did they see this one yet?
So if you only brought a half cup measurement, then all you had to do was just use 2 half cups to make a cup.
It'd be so funny if you just put the slime right in that.
I will.
Please don't.
I will. Just wait 1 minute.
I was gonna say, please don't. You're not really.
Whee! Oh, I will. Because it gets the stuff all out of it. Okay. Well, you made it again without activator.
Can you resist just putting shaving cream on your hands? I love doing it. That's where I was doing it.
Anyway, ma'am, scooch this way. Anyway, we've made bubbly slime without activator. Well, we put a bit of activator at the end just to make sure it wasn't as.
I just want to say,
in fact, you can add some activator.
it
right
sort
now.
of looks like fluffy slime, but it isn't fluffy slime. It looks like fluffy slime, sort of, but it
is
feels
bubbly
like
and it's fluffy slime because bubbly slime is fluffy, but still it's gonna be bubbly on the top.
Bubbly.
So guys, we're gonna let this sit. We'll let it sit 2 days, and then we will catch up with. We're gonna make a video tomorrow probably, but in scooch this way. But in 2 days, look at the camera. That's you. But in 2 days, we will show you how the bubbles are. We'll show you how the bubbles turned out on the top, and that'll be in 2 days because I think we'll leave it for 2 days. We may leave it for 1 day. I'm not sure, but oh wow. Okay, wait. It is stretchy.
It's stretchy.
Woo!
Don't whack it with it.
I'm not gonna whack you with it.
That's one of the reasons I was going like this, because I thought you were gonna whack it with it.
No.
Or give it
Okay,
a
guys. I
little
hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.
subscribe.
Make that button turn from red to gray, and hit that little bell icon down below to get notified every single time we upload a video. Hope you enjoyed this. This video. What I said. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you test this out because it's really fluffy, and it will turn out bubbly. And make sure you get shaving cream from the dollar store.
Yeah.
Anyway, have a nice day, guys. Bye.